Hello kids, I have so many colors for you. Let's learn colors name. चलिए जानते हैं रंगों के नाम. ये है स्काई कलर. ये है व्हाइट कलर. ये मजेंटा कलर. ये है वॉयलेट कलर. ये ब्लू कलर. ये है ब्राउन कलर. ये है ऑरेंज कलर. ये रेड कलर. लाइट ग्रीन कलर. येलो कलर. ब्लैक कलर. ये है डार्क ग्रीन कलर. Today we will learn alphabet with birds name. आज हम पढ़ेंगे अल्फाबेट पक्षियों के नाम के साथ. Let's start. A for American Avocet. American Avocet means लघु पक्षी. B for blue jay. Blue jay means नीला पक्षी. C for crow. Crow means कौवा. D for duck. Duck means बत्तख. E for eagle. Eagle means बाज. F for flamingo. Flamingo means राजहंस. G for गुल. गुल means समुद्री पक्षी. H for hummingbird. Hummingbird means hummingbird. Sky color. A for American Avocet. American Avocet means American Avocet. B light green color. B for blue jay. Blue jay means नीला पक्षी. C orange color. C for crow. Crow means कौवा. D brown color. D for duck. Duck means बत्तख. E red color. E for eagle. Eagle means बाज. F blue color. F for flamingo. Flamingo means राजहंस. G for गुल. गुल means समुद्री पक्षी. H pink color. H for hummingbird. Hummingbird means hummingbird. A B C D E F G H I for iris. Iris means iris. J for junco. Junco means पक्षी. K for kingfisher. Kingfisher means जल पक्षी. L for lapwing. Lapwing means तितरी. M for myna. Myna means myna. N. N for nightingale. Nightingale means bulbul. O. O for owl. Owl means ullu. P. P for parrot. Parrot means tota. I. Blue color. I for ibis. Ibis means ibis. J. Green color. J for junco. Junco means junco. Pakshi. K. Orange color. K for kingfisher. Kingfisher means jal pakshi. L. Brown color. L for lapwing. Lapwing means titli. M. Red color. M for myna. Myna means manna. N. Violet color. N for nightingale. Nightingale means bulbul. O. Yellow color. O for owl. Owl means ullu. P. Magenta color. P for parrot. Parrot means tota. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. Q for quail. Quail means butterfly. R. R for raven. Raven means kawa. S. S for sparrow. Sparrow means goreya. T. T for tanager. Tanager means tanager pakshi. U. U for upland sandpiper. Upland sandpiper means upland sandpiper. V. V for vulture. Vulture means gidh. W. W for waterfowl. Waterfowl means jal pakshi. Q. Blue color. Q for quail. Quail means butterfly. R. Green color. R for raven. Raven means kawa. S. Orange color. S for sparrow. Sparrow means goreya. T. Brown color. T for tanager. Tanager means tanager pakshi. U. Red color. U for upland sandpiper. Upland sandpiper means upland sandpiper. V. Violet color. V for vulture. Vulture means gidh. W. Yellow color. W for waterfowl. Waterfowl means jal pakshi. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. X for Gentusus hummingbird. Gentusus hummingbird means Seetal Pakshi. Y. Y for yellow throat. Yellow throat means पीले पेट वाला पक्षी. Z. Z for John-tailed hawk. John-tailed hawk means John-tailed pakshi. X, green color. X for Gentusus hummingbird. Gentusus hummingbird means Seetal Pakshi. Y, red color. Y for yellow throat. Yellow throat means पीले पेट वाला पक्षी. Z, violet color. Z for Jaune-tailed hawk. Jaune-tailed hawk means jaune-tailed pakshi. X, Y, Z. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.